In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zapier account. This process is quick and easy, allowing you to get started with automating tasks between different applications efficiently. Let's dive in. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Zapier website. Simply type in zapier.com in the address bar and hit enter. You'll find yourself on the Zapier homepage, which is the gateway to a world of automation possibilities, connecting your apps and services together effortlessly. Next up, take a look at the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Sign Up button. Click on it and you'll see several options for signing up. For a seamless and integrated experience, we recommend clicking on Sign Up with Google. This option allows you to link your Google account directly with Zapier, making login secure and simplified. Once you click Sign Up with Google, you'll be directed to a Google login page. Here you'll see a list of Google accounts you're currently signed into on your device. Click on the one you wish to use for Zapier. If your desired account isn't listed, no worries. You can simply add a new Google account by clicking on Use Another Account and entering your credentials. After selecting the account, Google might prompt you to confirm your choice by asking if you'd like to continue. Go ahead and click on Continue. This step ensures that you've granted permission for Zapier to access necessary bits of your Google data, which include your basic profile information and email to set up your account. Now that you've authorized the account, Zapier will guide you through an onboarding process. Here you'll get to customize your experience a little more by selecting your role. Choose the role that best describes your position or purpose for using Zapier from the available options. Once done, click on Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to select your company's size. This information helps Zapier tailor recommendations that fit the size and scope of your operations. So choose the size that matches your company and hit Continue. Finally, you'll arrive at a page where you can select the apps you already use. Zapier will make suggestions based on your choices. Now, you don't have to pick these apps if you don't want to. There's a skip button waiting for you at the bottom if you're excited to jump right in and see what Zapier's home page looks like. And there you go. You've successfully created your Zapier account and are ready to start automating your digital tasks. You're now officially part of the automation revolution, making your workflows smoother and your day-to-day operations more efficient. So go ahead, explore what Zapier has to offer, and watch your productivity soar to new heights. Thanks for watching and happy automating.